Let's take a look at some Toronto Exchange-listed gold stocks to buy amid inflation. I'm Rachel Jones and you're watching Kalkine Media. Investment in gold stocks has traditionally been considered one of the safest ways to keep aside your money. Now, some market experts also believe that investing in the yellow metal can help hedge against portfolio risk, especially amid inflation. So let's look at the recent stock performance of three. Firstly, Kinross Gold Corporation. Their shares climbed by approximately 8% over the last few days and soared by almost 14% in the past month. On a quarter-to-date basis, it has gained by almost 19%. In the third quarter of fiscal year 2021, Kinross recorded adjusted operating cash flow of $190.5 million. In addition, it posted adjusted net earnings of $90.2 million or 7 cents per share. That was in its latest quarter. So the company said that it's set to restart the Tasiast mill, which is expected to achieve a throughput of 21,000 tons per day by the end of the first quarter of 2022. Secondly, we have gold firm Endeavour Mining. Now, they operate gold projects in Burkina Faso, the Ivory Coast, and Senegal. It also considered to be the largest gold producer in West Africa, with assets in the highly potential Birimian Greenstone Belt. It's delivered a return of almost 12% in the last 12 months and surged by almost 31% in the last 6 months. And lastly, we have Wesdome. Their stock has swelled by almost 17% in the last few days and spiked by more than 40% in the past 6 months. It has also grown by almost 28% quarter to date. Now, Wesdome saw its gold production surge by 43% year on year to 29,344 ounces in the third quarter of fiscal year 2021. That's including the Kiena pre-commercial production of 5,511 ounces. Its revenue, on the other hand, grew by 23% year on year to 67.5 million Canadian dollars in the latest quarter. Now, do remember, before making any investment decisions, investors should note that despite their reputation of being a safe haven, some amount of risk and uncertainty is attached to gold stocks as well. It's generally essential to measure and evaluate the financial and operational health of a company before investing in it. Now, if you like this information, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.